Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to solve question number 10, winter 20, question variant 1. By looking at the shape ABC, it's clear that it's a sector. You have to know where the center of each sector is, which we are talking about, because we have many sectors and many arcs, so you have to know where is the center and where is the radius. By looking at the diagram, CAB, which is apart from a circle with center C. So sector CAB, its center is C, and this is the radius of the circle. And the opposite angle to the arc BA is angle C. A circle with center O. We have another circle and its center is O, and the radius is R, lies within the sector and touch it. Touch means we have a tangent. So tangent and the radius is 90 degrees. If we join OE, same, tangent, radius is 90 degrees. This means we have a right-angled triangle. So it's clear now you can use the trigonometric ratio, sine, cosine, or tan to get all sides in terms of r and theta. Part A, find the length, find CD in terms of r and theta. As I said, from this right-angled triangle, you can find CO in terms of r and theta, then add the radius, which is r, to get CD in terms of r and theta. How to get OC in terms of theta? This represents opposite, and this represents hypotenuse for this right-angled triangle. So if we start to write sine theta is equal to opposite, which is r, over the hypotenuse, which is OC. By using a cross multiplication, you can get OC in terms of r and theta. OC is r divided by sine theta. By adding r, which represents OD, you can find the length of CD. CD is equal to r plus r divided by sine theta. Part 2, part B. It's now given r is 4 and theta 1/6 pi. Write the given information. Now r is 4 and theta is pi/6 or 1/6 pi. When we have CF, CE, R tangent from a point out of circle, they are equal. What else? OC is a line of symmetry for the kite FCEO, means bisect the angle C and bisect angle O, but they are different. We have two sides, CE, CF are two tangents out of circle, they are equal, and we have a kite, and OC is a line of symmetry of this kite, means bisect angle at C, bisect angle at O. He asked to get the perimeter of sector CAB, perimeter of sector CAB, Perimeter of sector means sum of all sides. We have side CA, straight line, and another side CB are equal, CB are equal, plus the length of arc ADB, the length of arc ADB arc. First, CA, which represents the radius, we found equal to CD, the radius of CA, CD, CB radii for this circle. So all are equal. So I will use answer in part A to represent the radius. R is 4 plus R over sine theta, 4 over sine 1 over 6 pi. This answer you can multiply it by 2 plus length of arc is theta r, whereas theta is double. This is 1 over 6 pi and 1 over 6 pi. If we add, will be third pi, and the radius, which is 4 plus 4 over sine 1 over 6 pi. Then simplify and get your answer. I calculate this value, you will get it 12 plus third pi times 12. Simplify will be 24 plus third of 12 will be 4 pi. This is the final answer in terms of pi as it's written in part B. Part C, he asked to find the area of the shaded region in terms of pi and root 3. The shaded region, you can find the area of this triangle, then subtract this sector. You will get only this part, multiply it by 2, you can find the whole area of shaded. This is the first method. Or you can find the area of one triangle, multiply by 2 to get the whole kite, then remove this sector. You can find the area of shaded. I will apply the first one. We'll try to find the area of the right angled triangle, then subtract this sector, then multiply the answer by 2. The angle given, which is pi 1 over 6 pi, radius given, which is 4. You can find FC, then use half base into height by using tan 1 over 6 pi equals opposite, which is 4 over adjacent, which is SF. So tan 1 over 6 pi is equal opposite, which is 4 over adjacent, which represents FC. Use your calculator to get the value of FC, which is 4 divided by tan 1 over 6 pi. So FC is equal 4 divided by tan 1 over 6 pi. The answer is 4 root 3. Area of triangle FCO is half base, which is 4, height, which is 4 root 3. Simplify, your answer will be 8 root 3. Keep your answer exact. The area of small shaded part, as I show you like this. This is the right angle triangle. Then we'll subtract the area of circle to get this part. So area of triangle, area of sector, which is half theta r squared. I'm talking about this part, area of this sector. So I need to get the measure of this angle from the right angled triangle. Theta 1 over 6 pi, calculated will be third pi. So theta here means third pi. Half theta third pi Radius is 4 squared. Simplify, your answer will be half times third times 4 squared times pi 8 over 3 pi. This is the area of sector. So the area of shaded is equal to area of triangle, which is 8 root 3 minus area of sector 8 over 3 pi. So the area of whole shaded will be times 2. This is the final answer in terms of pi and root 3. If you expand, we'll get 16 root 3 minus 16 over 3 pi. This is the final answer for the area of shaded.